Hey, what's up, you guys? Sorry, not feeling very good. So, I just got back from work because, I have a cold. But anyway, I saw that I received this big box from Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a gander and see what's inside this box. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so alright, this is what I ordered. A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving, and this one of a kind Justin Bieber On My Mind 16-inch backpack. Yep. I guess I better do a review. So, so, um, so if you're looking for this, I recommend you look on Amazon because Charlie Brown is my all-time favorite. I like Snoopy. Um, on the back it says all new features: popcorn and jelly beans, making a Thanksgiving classic. Spend Thanksgiving with good old Charlie Brown. This is the complete remastered deluxe Charlie Brown Peanuts Classic Edition. well, well, that's all for today. Stay tuned for more of my awesome unboxing videos. Subscribe to my channel if you want. For right now, this is Freddy Review of YouTube.com signing off. Bye, guys.